Dear students, today is the sixth session of the second chapter, Accounting for Partnership Firm, Basic Concepts. So in this session, we will learn how to calculate interest on drawings. You know already, partners will withdraw money from partnership firm for their personal use. So on that amount, on that drawings, partners has to pay interest. Firm has to receive interest from partners. So that interest on drawings will calculate. Interest on drawing calculation problem you will get for 6 marks in the examination. Here you have different methods of calculation of interest on drawings. One method is average period method. Second method is product method. Today we will solve some problems on product method. We will learn how to calculate interest on drawings under product method. For learning the calculation of interest on drawings and product method, in today's class I have taken two problems from book. Question number 1, as per our class, this question is available in page number 95 of your textbook, and problem number 44. Okay, we'll take the problem. Sahana and Sania are in a partnership firm. Sahana drawings. See, there are two partners, Sahana and Sania, two partners are there. Sahana, one of the partner, has withdrawn money from the business. Sahana has withdrawn money from the business for her personal use, and that amount Sahana has to pay interest on drawings. So that interest on drawings we have to calculate. See, Sahana drawings for the year 2016-17. 2016 means 1st April 2016. 2017 means 31st March 2017. So from 1st April 2016 to 31st March 2017, she has withdrawn the following amount. She has drawn the following amounts for her personal use. 4,000 she has withdrawn on 1/6/2016. 1/6/2016. 6,000 rupees she has withdrawn on 30th/9/2016. 2,000 rupees she has withdrawn on 30th/11/2016. And 3,000 rupees withdrawn on 1/1/2017. 1/1/2017. Okay, 4 drawings she has made in a year, from 1st April 2016 to 31st March 2017. She has drawn money for 4 times on different dates. Now we have to calculate interest on Sahana drawings at 8% per annum. The rate is given, 8% we have to calculate for the year ending 31/3/2017. Year ending is 31/3/2017 under product method. So we are doing the problem under a product method. Okay. For solving this problem, you have to take this format. Calculation of interest on drawings under product method. First column, date of drawings. Second column, amount, how much amount she has withdrawn. So first we will write the date of drawings and amount. So before that, year ending I will write here. Year ending 31/3/17. Product method. First, we will write the date of drawings here. See, it is given in the problem. 1/6/2016. Second, 30/9/2016. Third drawings, 30/11/2016. Fourth drawings, 1/1/2017. First drawings amount 4,000. Second drawings amount 6,000. Third drawings amount 2,000. Fourth drawings amount 3,000. whatever I have written here, it is given in the problem. Date of drawings is given in the problem. Amount of drawings is given in the problem. Now you have to calculate the period. What is the number of months from the date of drawing to the end of the year? See, end of the year is 31/3/2017. You have to calculate how many number of months drawings she has to pay. The number of months you have to calculate from the date of drawing to the end of the year. See how you have to calculate here. First June 2016. When the drawings is made on first of month, then you have to count the number of months from the same month. See, June 1 means you have to count the number of months from June. Okay, I will put right mark here. You have to count number of months from June because the drawings is made on June 1st. So she has to pay interest on drawing from the June month. June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Okay, totally 10 months draw. 10 months will come. 10 months interest on drawing she has to pay. From June 2016 to 31/3/2017. How we have to calculate number of months? When it is first of every month, when it is first of the month, then you have to count the number of months from the same month. See, 1st June means you have to count the number of months from June itself. June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Up to 2017 March. Okay, 10 months will come. Okay, go to the second one. Second drawings is made on 30/9/2016. 30/9/2016. September 30, she has withdrawn money. So she did not pay September interest on drawings. Okay, when it is last day of the month, ignore the month. When it is last day of the month, leave that month. Count from the next month. See, 30th September. Don't take September month. When it is first of month, count from the same month. When it is last day of the month, take from the next month. Count from the next month. See, 30th September. Don't take September. Count from October. October, November, December, January, February, March. 6 months. 6 months. Now come to the third one. Third drawing she made on, I put into mark here. Third drawing she made on 30th November. 30th November. November last day she has withdrawn money. So she did not pay November month interest on drawings. She will pay the interest on drawings from the next month. Okay. Don't take this month. Don't take November month. Count from next month. December, January, February, March. Only 4 months. Okay. Then 1st January 2017. See, she has withdrawn money on 1st January. First of the month. First date of the month. Now you have to count from the same month. Okay. So I will put a right mark. See, for first transaction I put right mark. For second one into mark. Third one into mark. Fourth one right mark. That means first transaction drawings is on 1st June. So count from June month. Next one 30th now September. Count from October month. 30th November. Count from December month. 1st January. Take from the same month. January, February, March. 3 months. Okay, we got number of months here. Okay, have you got the calculation of number of months? This is the only calculation you have to make, and this is the only calculation you will do mistakes. Okay, you have to learn, you have to practice this calculation of number of months. If it is first of month, drawings is made on first of month, count from the same month. Drawings is made on last day of the month, count from the next month. Okay. Now the fourth column is product. Product you will get by multiplying column number 2, amount multiplied by number of months. See, 2 into 3. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 column is amount 4,000 multiplied by 3 column, that is number of months. So it comes to 40,000. 4,000 into 10, 40,000. 4,000 into 10. 6,000 into 6, 6,000 into 6, 36,000. 2,000 into 4, 8,000. 3,000 into 3, 9,000. So you got the product. You got the product. If you multiply amount into months, you will get the product. Now see the total of the product. 40, 36, 76, 76, 84, 76 plus 8, 84, 93. Total product is 93,000. Total of this is 93,000. Now you have a formula for calculation of interest on drawings. Interest on drawings equals total product into rate. Rate is given here 8% into 1 by 12. 1 by 12 means 1 month. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, total product is 93,000 into rate is 8%. 8% means how you have to write? 8 by 100 into 1 by 12. Now we will calculate the interest on drawings. We will get the interest on drawings. 93,000 into 8% divided by 12. So interest on drawings is 620. This is the final answer. So you will get 6 marks for this. For calculation of this, you will get 4 marks. For writing formula, you will get 1 mark. And for the final answer, you will get 1 mark. Totally, as per scheme of valuation, it is a 6 marks problem. So scheme will be in this form. That is for 4 calculation 4 marks. For this interest on drawings 1 mark. Interest on drawing formula 1 mark. And for this calculation 1 mark. Totally, you have 6 marks. Now we will go to the second problem. We will go to the second problem. See the second problem. Radha and Ravi are partners in a firm. Radha drawings for the year 2015-16 are given as under. Rupees 5,000 on 1/4/2015. So we will write the date 1/4/2015, 5,000. Rupees 8,000 on 30th/6/2015, rupees 8,000. Rupees 3,000 on 1/12/2015, rupees 3,000. And rupees 2,000 on 31/3/2016, rupees 2,000. Calculate interest on Radha drawings at 10% per annum for the year ending 31/3/17 under product method. So the date is 31/3/16. Date year end is 31/3/16. So 15 to 16 it is 31/3/16. 31/3/16. Okay. Now in the same way you have to calculate number of months. See 1/4. 1st April, count from the same month. 1st April, count from the same month. April it is. 4th month means April. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March. 12 months you get. 12 months. Next, 30th June. June 30. Leave that month. June 30. Last day of the month means don't take that month, count from next month. Don't take June month, count from July month. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 9 months. Next, 1st December. So take from the same month. 1st December. I will put right mark. 1st December. Count from the same month. Because it is 1st of December. The drawings is made on 1st of December. December, January, February, March. 4 months. 31/3/2016. See, last day of the financial year, 31/3/2016, same day she has made drawings, 31/3/2016. 31/3/2016 to 31/3/2016, 0 months. If you get same date, 31/3/2016, number of days is nil, so 0 months. Okay, now we have to multiply. 5,000 into 12, 60,000. 8,000 into 9. 72,000. 3,000 into 4, 12,000. 2,000 into 0, 0. Okay. Now 60,000 plus 72,000 plus 12,000 plus 0, that equals 1,44,000. 1,44,000. Now you got the product, total product 1,44,000. Interest on drawings equals total product into rate into 1/12. Total product is 1,44,000 into rate is, it is given rate 10%, 10/100 into 1/12. See how much it comes? 1,44,000 into 10% divided by 12. 1,200 is the interest on drawing. 1,200. Okay, these are the problems you have to practice. I will give some homework. You have to solve these problems. Homework. Page number, problem number. Page number 96, problem number 46. Page number 96, problem number 47. Page number 97, problem number 49. Page number 94, problem number 43. Okay. So I will give you 4 homeworks. These problems were available on page number 96, problem number 46, 96, problem number 47, page number 97, problem number 49, page number 94, problem number 43. These 4 problems you have to do at the home and practice this calculation of number of months. How to calculate the number of months. Once you calculate the number of months properly, you will get the correct answer, interest on drawings. The only difficulty in this problem is a confusion in calculation of, you will make a confusion in calculation of number of months. Don't make any confusion. If it is first of every month, count from the same month. If it is last of the, if it is first of the month, count from the same month. If it is last day of the month, count from the next month. That's it. Okay. Thank you for today's class.